Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide any app from the home screen. So you might have some apps that you want to hide because maybe your parents go through your phone or you just don't want anyone seeing it. I'll be showing you how to do that in this video today. So the first thing you do is hold down your home screen. Once the editing option comes up, click the bar at the bottom right where the search was. Once you click that, you can see 4 of the screens. You can decide which one appears by checking it or unchecking it. As you can see, now I only have 3 screens on my home screen. But then if I edit the screen again, and I click the bar again, I can recheck it and it'll show up again. So that's the first way how to hide any apps. The second one is to remove a single app. You go to the app, you click remove app, but then you click remove from home screen instead of delete. Now you can still find the app in your search bar, but you won't be able to find it on the home screen. It's very helpful for just hiding single apps, and then you can also drag it back to your home screen by clicking add to home screen. That's all I have for this video today. If this helped you at all, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.